In this video, I'm going to show you how to share and move projects in CapCut PC. So as an example, once you are in your CapCut, we have here some bunch of projects, and we would like, as an example, to share them and move them. First, to do so, you would like to be logged in into an account. If you're not logged in into any accounts, make sure to go and log in first. Once you're logged in, you can go on this left panel. You'll find this spaces option. So go to create a space, as an example, and that you want to share an example with somebody. For me, I already have 2 spaces here. So what I'll have to do is simply go back to my projects, and I can go, as an example, and click on the 3 dots, and I'll be able to click on upload. So for me, let me just go and look for something that doesn't have a lot of space like this one. I'm just going to click on 3 dots and click on upload. Once I click on upload, they will ask me on which space. If you just create, as an example, a new space, you can just go and create a new one. For me, I'll not be able to because I already have 2 spaces. So you'll be able to just choose those spaces. For me, I'm just going to choose this space and simply click on upload. So click on upload. So, okay, I'm just going to upload anyway. And as you can see, the video should appear here soon. Now, as an example, if you want to move it around, you'll be able to move it to this example folder, or if you create any other folder, you'll be able also to move it there. You can also, as an example again, click on download from here, or you can go to home and upload this example to another space if you want to move it between spaces. So that's about it for me. Thank you for watching and goodbye.